Perfect timing. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to crop your picture for the Warhol portrait. So wherever you're at in your file is fine. Just make sure you've got your picture up. And you're going to use the crop tool. The crop tool is 5 tools down in your tool palette. You can see it right here. This is the crop tool. So right here, when you're in the crop tool, you have choices up here for what you want your width and your height to be. So we want to put our width at half of 8.5 by 11. So half of 8.5 is 4.25. This is when you do math and graphic design. And then half of your height of 11 would be 5.5. Okay, and then when you put those numbers in and push a return there, then when you use your crop tool, I just click with my mouse and drag. It shows me what's going to be cropped out or what's going to remain in the picture. Everything here will remain in the picture. I can move this any way that I want, but it's keeping the proportions of 4.5 by 5.5. So Joey, is this going to be good for you? Is this a good cropping choice?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So then I'm going to push the return button. Now my entire file, every single layer is all this same size. So when you do end up putting it into a larger file where you have 4 facing images, they'll fit into an 8.5 by 11 document. So hopefully that makes sense to everybody. The last thing that you want to check too is your image size. You want to pay attention to your resolution. You want your resolution to be the same here as it is in your other file, your 8.5 by 11 where you'll put everything in. And I believe, but I can't say for certain, that I told you guys to put your resolution at 150 for this assignment. So it's either 150 or 300. So anyway, you'll set that at 150 and say OK. And then when you make your other document that you place everything into, that one has to be a resolution of 150 as well. Okay, so I'm done there.